All right, so we got our first snow of the year last night, and we have a number of questions here. 1, will the battery be dead on the tractor? 2, will the tires be flat? 3, will the tarp have blown off? 4, will we need ether to start it? So stay tuned. You know what? Those are really the reasons I need a barn, but they apply to today too. Let's check it out. It started snowing yesterday about lunchtime, snowed until midnight, but it wasn't sticking on the driveway until maybe 4 p.m., 4:30 p.m. when it started to get dark out. So we'll see how much there actually is. All right, the tarp stayed on, so that's one positive. Let's see, it doesn't feel like much. Oh, we got big fat 2 inches. 2 inches, if that. Oh, hold on. 1.5. Let me restate that. 1 3/4. Yeah, I say we got 1.5 inches on the drive. Well, it's enough to give you a test run, test out your equipment. 1.5 inches ain't too much, but I guess it's something to play in the snow. All right, here now, the next question is, are our tires flat that I spent pretty much all weekend screwing around with? The front tires and the back. Trying to get these tarps off without getting your machine covered with snow sometimes is an art in itself. Let me pull up the front here. Let's see, that tire looks good. Dude, that tire looks good. Let's check out this back tire here. Oh yeah, that sucker's good. Woo-hoo. Now, I had the battery charger on this thing all night because the battery is dead. I don't even know. I don't think it's charged. I really don't. But I'm going to unplug it. It still says it's charging, which either means the battery is really totally dead and is never going to take a charge, or it really is charging. But I'm going to unplug that. I'm going to put some ether in the carburetor because yesterday it did not want to start without ether, and I don't want to risk my dead battery here. So let's check it out. All right, let's pop up the seat. Step 1. Take off the air filter. Step 2. Muffler's rotting out pretty good too. Nice. She could definitely use a new air filter. This thing is dirty. Whatever. Whatever. Let's see here. Now let's give it a squirt of carb cleaner. See where that gets us. Gotta remember how to plow. We put the plow down. Oh yeah. It's like riding a bike. You don't forget. Got a puddle over there. end of the driveway, but it started back up luckily. It's running bad. I definitely need to clean out the carb on this thing and do a little fuel system work. Ground's not frozen, so you gotta be careful not to hook it. That's how I edge my driveway. Peel back all the grass that's starting to grow over it during the summer. Oh, there's my dust cap. It fell off. Alright, I'm driving down the hill, and I'm going to guess when I get downtown that there's less snow than there is up here. It's like a degree colder, so it probably took even longer for it to stick to the driveway. I did have about 3 inches on the lawn and 1.5 inches on the driveway, so it's quite a difference in a little temperature will make, you know? A couple deer crossing the road over here. Yeah. All right, downtown here. I don't even think we have a 1/2 inch here. This is like backpack blower snow. This is dumb. It just about goes to the end of my fingernail. So 1/2 inch. Well, it's gonna start the almighty 817 here, and just moving some stuff in front of it so I can get it out. I noticed that my my battery tender's unplugged. Hopefully the thing fires up. I did start it up about a month ago, just for the hell of it, and it started right up. So hopefully my battery ain't dead. And get that thing out of the way. See if we got any gas in this sucker. Barely. We'll start it up and see what happens, hopefully. Let's see, we come back here to the primer on the carb. Open up the seat. The almighty Onan. Reach down here for that primer lever. All right, I primed it 15 times. Let's see if she'll fire up. Gotta move this Wisconsin block. I'm gonna run that thing over. All right, let's see. Choke on. Push the lever in for the safety. Let's see. Come on, baby. Yeah, baby. Woohoo! All right, let's see if the plow lifts. Plow lifts. Knocked over a shovel over there. Let's see. Get this thing out of the way. Always crap in the way. Yeah, she drives. Put that plow down. Yeah, baby. Store. 4.7. Thing's working mint. It only plowed like 3 or 4 times last year. Wear strip's about brand new. Pavement's a year old. little bit of ice under it. She's taking it good. Well, successful first plow of the year here. Not much snow, but it's a good thing to make sure everything works. The driveway's still warm. It's like maybe 29 degrees out right now, but what I've plowed, it really wants to melt already. I think it's supposed to go up to almost 40 today, so I'm not going to put any salt down. The minute the sun comes out, it's going to melt everything. I'm going to take the backpack blower to the sidewalk. I'm not even going to shovel. I'm just going to blow it with that. And the stairs on the deck and everything, and hopefully we're good. Thanks for watching. Well, the thing's been charging for about, I don't know, so a day and a half. And it says it's fully charged. It just started it up. It fired right up, fast speed. So maybe we got it charged. We'll wait for the next storm and we'll know for sure. Cool.